We're live. Yan, welcome sa ating YouTube channel guys, Musical World Music. So, andito tayo sa ating music room. Kakaiba guys yung ating gagawin ngayon. Bali ito ay preparation para sa upcoming new YouTube channel na gagawin natin. May bubuksan tayo guys na bagong YouTube channel. And doon guys, exclusive guys lahat ng mga covers and mga gaya nito. Parang lahat kasi guys, konting kwenta lang ano guys, na-inspired ako lately na yung sister ko, yung ate ko, sinabihan niya ako one time bakit hindi mo i-try balikan yung dati mo pagkanta? So, I hope kayong nanonood ngayon na kilala talaga ako. And alam niyo about my singing before, especially during college days. And gusto ko lang ulit balikan yung pagkanta ko. And i-share ko dito sa atin sa YouTube channel natin sa Musical World Music. Pero guys, may ginawa akong bagong channel dito sa YouTube. And bubuksan natin I think next week. So doon, lahat ng cover songs doon natin gagawin. Kasi ayaw ko naman itong channel natin lagyan ng samahan ng ganito. So para exclusive lang talaga. So, for the first time, yung mga subscriber ko, makikita niyo kung sino talaga ako. And I hope okay pa yung boses ko kasi yung ate ko talaga, kasi dati guys, yung ate ko pala kasama sa mga competition na sinasabihan ko before, mga amateur singing contest. And especially sa school, during college day, high school days, mga ganon. And nung elementary days, lahat. And paratahan naman dito guys sa Bicol ng amateur singing contest. So, sayang naman kung hindi ko babalikan yung nasimulan kong pagkanta dati. And gusto kong i-share sa inyo guys sa ating mga subscriber. And sana supportan nyo guys yung bubuksan natin yung YouTube channel next weekend guys. And so simulan na natin guys ang ating mini unplug. So, ito guys, hindi pa ito formal pagpasya guys kasi wala pa talaga mga rehearsals na practice. Try ko lang ngayon dito kasi next week talaga yung formal, talaga may preparation akong gagawin. Kumbaga, itatry ko lang ngayon dito sa YouTube channel natin. And next week yung start na natin. Talaga live music talaga, covers, ganun. So sa bagong YouTube channel natin guys, sa bagong channel. So start na tayo guys. And the first song is, okay, kasi sana nakakunik pa tayo sa internet, no? Okay. Play. This song is called You Are My Song. Sa mga paborito mong artist guys, Martin Miller. You are the song playing so softly in my heart. I reach for you. You say something so far. I hope and I pray you'll be with me. Someday I know down inside you are mine and I'm your true love. Oh, in my dreaming, how can I? Each time I try to say goodbye, you are there. You look my way, I touch the sky. We can share tomorrow and forevermore. I'll be there to love you so. You are my soul. I know for sure that we were meant to fall in love. I look in your eyes. I know what you're thinking of. I try not to say the words that might scare you away. I know down inside you are mine and I'm yours. Please no more dreaming. How can I? Each time I try to say goodbye, you were there. You look my way, I touch the sky. We can share tomorrow and forevermore. I'll be there to love you so. You are my soul. With you in my heart and my soul and my love and my soul. You are my soul. We can share tomorrow and forevermore. I'll be there to love you so. You are my soul. You are my soul. Guys, thank you guys. So, tuloy-tuloy na to guys. The next song is isa sa mga favorite ko guys. Alam niyo naman ang The Carpenters guys, sobrang iconic. So, hindi ko kantahin kasi mga favorite ko song. Ano pala to guys? Air Supply. Sorry. When she looks at me, I know the closest things nobody else can see. All the secret fears inside and all the craziness I hide. She looks into my soul and made me like nobody can. And she doesn't just a man, she just takes me as I am. Come what may, she loves me, and the pain is something I've never known before. Come what may, she loves me, and that love has helped me open that door. Making it love myself a little more. When I turn away, she knows most of the time there's nothing she can say, nothing that anyone can do. and so she lets me in. And when my time is out of a certainty, she just simply lets me in and goes right on loving me. One day she believes, and that day is something I've never known before. One day she loves me, and that love has helped me open that door. Taking me from myself a little. Oh, and when it seems my dreams are lost through my fingers, when just they can't be found and turn around, and there they are, shining in her eyes. Come what may, she believes in the pain is something I've never known before. Come what may, she loves me, and that love has helped me open that door. Making me love myself. Come what may, she loves me, and that pain is something I've never known before. Come what may, she loves me, and that love has helped me open that door. Making me love myself a little more. Yan guys, Earth Life. So tuloy-tuloy lang guys. Konting song lang guys kakantayin natin ngayon kasi tinatry ko lang talaga. By the way, the next song is Too Young. Sikat ito guys ng late 80s. By Jack Wenger. Nothing like it. It's been way too long since I realized that children's thoughts in my life. I get to you, tell you, no one's wrong. Show you how I feel. Simple. I don't know what to say. I love that girl so much, but I didn't show you. Style is really today, full around everything. Such childish game, I've made a fool of time. That taught me so much. I don't have to say I was too young, but it's no excuse. I had so much to show. I wanted more room to please my restless youth. Now all these years, I can feel your lips. You treated me so kind. You were all mine, but just not walk away. That's a sweet smile, pleasing in my mind. Is there a way that you can turn back on time? The love that's precious time, and it's slipped by. I can take some words but I still try to get you back to stay. And I was too young, but it's no excuse. I had so much too soon. I wanted more room to please my restless youth. Now all these years, I can feel you breathe. You treated me so kind, you were all mine. I just walk away. True love comes once in a lifetime. And it's just true, and you go back in time. Oh, I was tired, but it's no excuse. I had so much too soon. I wanted more room to please my restless youth. Now all these years, I can feel your bliss. You treated me so kind, you were all mine, and I just walked away. Tired, but it's no excuse. I had so much too soon. I wanted more room to please my restless youth. Now all these years, I can feel your bliss. You treated me so fine, you were all mine, but I just walked away. Taas na sila, guys. So yun ay kay Jack Wigner. 80s love song. Feeling love. On the first night that we met, together we've been happy. I have a few regrets. They were away from the lips I don't know how to face. But lately, later changes. I've been slowly taking the place. You're always finding something is wrong in what I do. But you can rearrange my life because it pleases you. You got to love me for what I am, for simply don't love me for what you intend and hope that I will be. And if you only using me to be your fantasy, you're really not love. So let me go. I must be free. If what you want isn't natural for me, I won't pretend to keep you what I like to be. The pictures of reflections is only in your mind. For all your expectations that could never be decided. We each love each other for everything we are. Leave the light behind and make another start. You've got to love the people what I am for simply being. Don't love me for what you intend, the hope that I will be. If you only using me to be your fantasy, you're really not enough. So let me go, I must be free. And it's only using to be your fantasy, you're really not enough. So let me go, I must be free. real and not in love. So let me go. I must be free. Yan guys. Ano pa ba natin kantahin? Okay. This is the last song, guys. Final song. Alam ko maraming may alam sa inyo sa kanta nito. Sobrang sikat ni guys ng 80s. Especially mid-80s. Tired of feeling all by myself, being so different from everyone else. Somehow you need your help. Be my friend forever. I never found my stars in the night. Feeling my dreams was all from my side. You came along and I so alive. We'll be friends forever. I can't face the thought of you to take me along. I swear I'll be strong if you take me wherever you go. I wanna learn the things that you know. Now that you make me believe, I want you to take me, 'cause I long to be able to see the things that you see. Know that whatever you do, I love you. Somebody must have sent you to me. What do I have you could possibly be? All I can give is my guarantee. We'll be friends forever. I can't face the thought of you leaving to take me along. I swear I'll be strong if you take me wherever you go. I wanna learn the things that you know. Now that you make me believe, I want you to take me, 'cause I long to be able to see the things that you see. Now that whatever you do, I'll follow each newborn and each passing hour by your side. I know I will cover. Is it true that you have the power? Capture this moment in time. Take me wherever you go. I wanna learn the things that you know. No one could ever believe. I want you to take me, 'cause I want to be able to see the things that you see. Know that whatever you do, I follow you. Wherever you go, I wanna learn the things that you know. Know that will make me believe. I want you to take me. Yun guys, thank you sa mga nanood, sa mga nag-like. Thank you guys. Next time dadamihan natin yung mga song. So, try lang natin ngayon dito sa ating channel. And next week guys, mag-i-start na tayo sa another channel guys na bubuksan ko. Yun guys ay lahat ng cover song o ganito live. Kasi gusto kong balikan yung pagkanta ko talaga guys. Hindi pa ako gaano parang nangangapa ulit ako guys. Kasi yung last kong major performance talaga guys since 1999. And may nangyari sa akin noong 1999 na stop guys yung pagkanta ko. Yun guys ay health condition na matagal ko talaga parang ayaw ko lang kumanta. And dekada-dekada, I think how many decades from 1999. One time, kinausap ko ng ate ko, balikan ko yung passion niya sa pagkanta. And kasi kahit medyo may edad na tayo guys, ang music naman para sa lahat. As long as may passion ka pa guys. Diba? And literal guys na buong buhay ko talaga guys. Laman ako guys ng mga amateur singing contest. Ito, kung mga nakakilala guys, nakakaalam sa dalan sa kalangitan. Isa ko sa mga suki dyan. And konting kwento lang guys, bago tayo mag-open ng new channel natin na bubuksan. Importante sa akin yung year 1999. College days ko yan. And may nangyari sa akin. Supposed to be, ako mo i-represent ng Bicol region sa National Praise sa hindi ako nagkakamali. Gaganapin sa Manila during that time. And hindi ako nakadalo. Instead, during Prisa National, nasa loob ako ng hospital. And after nun guys, nabago lahat. Pati yung voice, hindi talaga ito guys yung original kong boses. During yung active ako talaga yung prime, kumbaga, during 90s, hindi ganito yung boses ko. And thank God, nakakanta pa ako now. And andun pa rin naman yung passion ko. Kasi ito yung first love ko talaga yung pagkanta. Obviously, itong yung channel natin is, ang title diba ng ating channel is Musical World Music. Collection Music. Bago pa ako mag-start ng collection guys, sa mga physical albums yan, kumakanta talaga ako guys. And syempre, kung ilang dekada na hindi na kumakanta, magsisimula ka ulit sa numero. At least guys, medyo okay pa naman siguro yung comment kayo guys, ha? Kung medyo okay pa yung boses natin, pwede pa pagtsagaan. I hope may mga yung mga nakakakilala sa atin guys na Chubbs yung name ko guys, ang tawag sa akin guys. Ang name ko as a singer, yung nakilala ako as a singer, Chubbs. Yan. Kung may nanonood dito guys na mga friends ko before, especially in the 90s, yung totoo talaga nakakakilala sa akin. Kung ano talaga ako yung pagkanta ko, and mga naka mga nakatunggali ko sa mga amateur singing contests before dito sa Naga. And isa pa yung sa hindi ko talaga malilimutan yung batch ni Eric Santos sa Star for Night. Kasali dapat din ako doon. And may mga nangyaring siguro sa ibang vlog, ito kwento ko. Yun yung batch guys na sabay-sabay yung 1999, 2000, basta ganyan, 1999. Grabe talaga yun, yung nangyari sa akin. Na-stop talaga yung pagkanta ko. And sobra kong binamdam, na-depress ako guys. Sinashare ko ito guys kasi alam ko family tayo dito sa ating channel. And at least mayroon kayong idea about sa akin. Ako po guys talaga ay literal na singer. Kung medyo hindi na-polish yung pagkanta ko ngayon because of tinigil ko talaga guys, literal na tinigil ko yung pagkanta ko since 1999. 1999. And ano ng taon na yun? Ngayon guys ay 2026 na. Kaya shout out sa mga kung may nanonood itong kilala ako, especially nung college days, alam niyo kung sino ako. Yung singing, passion ko sa music, sa pagkanta talaga. So, yun guys, may kunti ako na-i-share sa inyo guys. So, yan guys, yung bubuksan natin channel. I hope supportan nyo guys. Ipopost ko lang dito sa ating channel. At I hope subscribe din guys. Kasi gusto ko talaga exclusive yun. Hindi ganito guys parang dati ngayon parang nagpa-practice lang tayo na ito, parang rehearsal. Gusto ko kasi doon sa other channel na gawin natin, talagang polish, talagang yung song, kumbaga, inaral ko talaga. Kasi hindi talaga literally guys, ano lang ito, parang nag-test lang ako sa yung ating venue. Di ba? Anyway, ito na talaga yung gagawin ko guys, ito na talaga yung studio. Mag-add na sa iyo ako ng konting light. So, watch out guys. And I hope subscribe kayo guys sa channel na yun. So yan guys. So ngayon alam niyo na guys kung sino si Musical World Music. Ang inyong lingkod. Hindi lang ako guys nagre-react sa mga singer. Dati pa talaga akong singer. Kung pwede ko na maipakita sa inyo guys yung mga achievements and ko. One time guys, i-share ko guys para mas deeper yung pagkakilala niyo sa akin. So yan. Ang inyong lingkod guys ay sobrang passion sa music. Kaya pasensya na sa mga honest reaction na ginagawa ko talaga. Kasi pag singer na guys, unang-una talaga is yung pandemic. Kaya medyo kanina na off akong bahagya kasi nga andito sa tapat ko guys yung speaker. Kaya next time talaga ilalabas ko yung speaker kasi hindi ko na madinig yung boses ko. So, konting adjustment talaga gagawin ko dito. So, yun ang singer. Kailangan magaling ka sa pandinig. Kasi kung wala ka ng dyan, kahit maganda yung boses mo, belter ka, sabog yung performance mo guys. Kung hindi ka marunong sa... Kasi yung pagtatiming and all that, saka papakinggan mo yung kung nasa tono ka ba, di ba parang importante yung audio, kailangan hindi masyado medyo may distance literal guys, hindi naman sa tapat ko yung speaker. So pasensya na guys. So hanggang dito na lang muna guys. Ano ba guys, gusto nyo pang song? Try ko ano kaya? May nanonood pa ba? Comment kayo guys kung anong gusto nyo request. Kung may request kayo, try natin. Iyan. Hanap tayo ng song. Ano kayo magandang mga song? Ay, alam ko lang. Okay. Isa pang song guys, para sa inyo guys. Yan. Isa to sa mga ginagamit ko guys sa mga amateur singing contest before. Para sa inyo guys. Only stars to shine into my eyes. And here I am alone, starting to realize that my days would be brighter if I could learn to hide the feelings that I have for you keep hurting me inside. Then my days begin with simple thoughts of you, hoping that tomorrow will be me and you, sharing dreams with each other and making them come true, holding one another, seeing all that is you. But will you say that you love me and show me that you care? Say when I need you, you'll always be there. But if you don't believe in me, this I swear is true. My love will always be with you. Martin Ibero version. Now my nights will end with just one at you. Hold me in good time, help me make it through. 'Cause the pain that's inside of me would simply melt away if I had you here with me and promise me you'd stay. But will you say that you love me and show me that you care? Say when I need you, you will always be there. But if you don't believe me, this I swear is true. My love will always be with you. Oh, but will you say that you love me and show me that you care? Say when I'm here, you will always be there. But if you go with me, this I swear is true. My love will always, my love will always, my love will always be. Yan guys, thank you sa mga nanood. And mamaya guys, i-poposan lang natin ito dito sa ating YouTube channel. Again guys, hindi pa ito official talaga testing ko lang guys yung setup natin dito ngayon. Kaya medyo pasensya na kung hindi masyadong formal or ano, yung yung mga performance natin ngayon. So at least na na-try natin ulit. And na-try ko talaga guys yung best ko sa mga upcoming live. So isa na yun isa medyo lalagyan natin ng konti kumbaga pagkaka-busyhan natin ulit bukod sa ating Music World Music dito sa ating reaction channel. And na-miss ko guys yung mga reaction natin sa SB19. And abang-abang na lang guys kasi inaayos ko pa talaga itong another isa pang channel na bubuksan natin para exclusive lang doon guys yung mga kantahan, covers, etc. So guys, yan guys, hanggang dito na lang muna guys. Thank you for watching. And kung nagustuhan nyo guys, palike na lang. Pasensya na sa boses ko guys. Pero pa baga guys, pagtsagaan yung boses natin. Pa-comment na lang guys. Okay pa. So yan guys. And again, thank you for watching guys. Pati ko sinasabi, always be kind. And don't forget to like and subscribe. Pa-share na rin guys. And guys, God bless us. So yan guys. Thank you for watching and stream.